In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage contacts in Gmail. By the end, you'll know how to add, edit, delete, organize, and clean up your contact list so it stays accurate and easy to use across all your devices. First, a quick foundation. Gmail doesn't have its own contact manager. Instead, it uses Google Contacts, which is a cloud-based address book that stays in sync with your Google account. On a desktop, open a browser and go to contacts.google.com. On mobile devices, manage contacts through your phone's Contacts app, which syncs with the same Google account. Any changes you make in one place will show up everywhere you're signed in. Let's start by adding a new contact on desktop. Open Google Contacts in your browser. On the left, click Create Contact. A panel opens where you can type in the person's name, email address, phone number, and any other details you want to keep handy. When you're done, click Save. If you don't see the new contact immediately in other apps, give syncing a moment and refresh. To edit or update a contact, open Google Contacts and use the search bar or scroll to find the person. Click the contact to open their details, then click the pencil icon to edit. Update fields like email, phone, or company, and click Save. Keeping these details current helps Gmail autocomplete the right address when you're composing emails. If you need to remove someone, deleting is simple. In Google Contacts, find and click the contact. Then click the three-dot menu and choose Delete, confirming when prompted. Don't worry if you change your mind. Deleted contacts go to trash for about 30 days, giving you a chance to restore them before they're permanently removed. Organizing your contacts with labels makes group communication easier. In Google Contacts, select one or more contacts using the checkboxes. Click Labels at the top, choose an existing label or create a new one, and apply it. Later, when you're writing an email in Gmail, you can type that label name in the To field to address everyone in the group at once. For cleanup, use Merge and Fix to handle duplicates. In Google Contacts, click Merge and Fix to see suggestions for contacts that look the same. Review the matches and confirm the merges to combine entries into a single, complete card. Finally, if you accidentally removed someone, open Trash in Google Contacts and recover the contact within the 30-day window. That's it. Add, edit, delete, label, merge, and restore. All synced through your Google account so your address book stays reliable wherever you work.